how much should you actually spend on a portable bandsaw for metal? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 2, Milwaukee's bandsaw. Milwaukee's bandsaw priced at $274. What really grabbed my attention is that it's over 20% lighter than the original M18 compact bandsaw. If portability is key for you, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being lightweight means less fatigue during long cutting sessions, and the Power State brushless motor ensures rapid cuts, making your job quicker and easier. With its ability to slice through tough materials, you'll be able to tackle various tasks without breaking a sweat. It's also been bought 400 times in the last month, which speaks volumes about user satisfaction. Now, some reviews pointed out that it might not be as powerful as other models for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly working on lighter metals or jobs that require speed over sheer power, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight solution for quick jobs. Skip this if you require something that can handle really thick materials regularly. It's a great balance of performance and portability. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need deep cuts. Product number 3, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw, which is priced at $318.88. The first thing that caught my eye was its Power State brushless motor that delivers a powerful 550 SFPM. If you want speed and effectiveness in tough applications, this is definitely worth a look. The 5-inch by 5-inch cut capacity is really impressive, especially for larger materials. It can make up to 78 cuts on a single charge, which is fantastic for busy job sites. Plus, the integrated rafter hook is great for easy storage or hanging on the job. With 400 units sold in the past month, this bandsaw is certainly making waves. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're doing heavy-duty work where depth and power are essential, that slight bulkiness is a trade-off for the performance you gain. This is perfect for you if you regularly work with large, heavy materials and need something reliable. Skip this one if you only use a saw for lighter jobs around the house. It's a worthy investment for serious metalworkers. If weight and compactness were a concern for you, the next product might catch your interest as it's designed to be lightweight.
Product number 4, DeWalt 20V Max XR Bandsaw, priced at $309.99. I was drawn in by its powerful brushless motor and the Tool Connect capability. If you want a smart tool that combines efficiency with tech, this is worth checking out. The 3 1/8-inch cut capacity means you can work with a variety of materials, and the variable speed trigger allows for precise control, catering to different cutting tasks. The built-in LED enhances visibility, making your cuts cleaner and more accurate. With 300 units sold in the past month, it's definitely gaining traction among users. Now, some reviews pointed out that it's a bit heavy compared to others. Here's the thing, if you prioritize power and features over weight, it's still a fantastic choice. Just be aware that it might be a little cumbersome for prolonged use. This is perfect for you if you're a professional needing a powerful and feature-rich tool. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and easy to handle. For the money, it's an excellent value, especially for serious projects. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the last product on our list may just fit the bill. Product number 5, eCarc Cordless Portable Bandsaw. We have the eCarc Cordless Portable Bandsaw at $135.99. This caught my attention because it's compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries and offers a 2.5-inch cutting capacity. If you're after a budget-friendly option with decent capabilities, this is worth a look. The tool-free blade change system is a big plus for quick adjustments, and the lightweight design allows for easy one-handed operation. It's perfect for those who are working in tight spaces or need something portable. With over 100 sold recently, it seems to be popular among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some users mention that it doesn't have the power of higher-end models. Here's the thing, if you're mostly doing light to moderate cutting tasks, it will serve you just fine. But for heavy-duty work, you might want to consider something more powerful. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or need a portable saw for light jobs. Skip this if you require something for serious heavy-duty applications. For the price, it's a great value for those on a budget. So there you have it. The DeWalt 20V Max bandsaw offers powerful performance. Milwaukee's bandsaw is lightweight and quick. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut bandsaw excels in heavy-duty tasks.
The DeWalt 20V Max XR bandsaw has smart features, and the Akarke cordless bandsaw is budget-friendly and portable. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and happy cutting.